Hi, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today in episode 8 of I Love Winter Christmas, I have for you a new Dollar Tree haul. So without further ado, let's get started. First I want to show you this beautiful cute little mailbox. It opens up in front and there's the little, I don't know what it's called, but you raise it up if you have mail, and it's on top of it there's a little peppermint candy. There's gingerbread boy and girl. They're holding candy canes and peppermint candy. There's a little gingerbread house behind them, and the blue sky with little snowflakes, and it goes all the way around like that on the other side, and even on the back, and inside it's red. This I'm going to make a cute little DIY for you sometime next week. I want to show you, I picked up 2 of these. Doesn't say the size, but it's placemat, and it has Santa Claus with Christmas trees, his toy sack with toys sticking out, and he's holding looks like a candy cane. I picked up 2 of these, like I said, and I'm going to be making something out of this in a DIY in the next couple weeks. And the next one, it says Santa Stops Here. This beautiful little area rug to go in front of your door in your bathroom, in front of your sink or your stove. And this one here has Santa's belt and the bottom of his coat with his legs and black boots. They only had this one to choose from and this other one that I got, so I just went ahead and picked up one of each. Can't beat it for $1. And the other one says Merry Christmas. There's a snowman, Santa Claus, a penguin, 2 penguins, and a polar bear. With a light blue sky in the background. And, oh, there's a reindeer over there, too. I didn't see him. He's on the other side of the snowman right there. I picked up this gnome. It says Gnome for the Holidays mug. This is for your hot drinks. And this here grip handle comes off. That way you can see it going all the way around. It has a red lid, and there's the area for you to drink out of. It doesn't close or nothing. And this you can put right back on if you decide you want to use it. I picked up some more of these 5-piece ornaments. I got the Christmas tree and the jingle bells. I'm going to be doing a DIY on these soon with the other ones that I already purchased. I picked up another one of these ornaments. I seem to pick up one every time I go, but I figure by the time I'm finished shopping and get the tree up, I'll have enough to go on it. And you turn the little knob on top, and you have flashing colors. Look how, that's beautiful, really. It kind of reminds me of one of those disco lights. I picked up some more of these red with white swirls going around it. Let me show you. There it is. You can see it right there. And it's glitter, the white is. And there's 5 to a pack. There's 80 count of the green and red pom-poms. These are they go from very small to, right here's the biggest ones that they have down here in the corner. And I needed one more tree and a green one to be, so I can make a DIY that I have planned for you all. And I was lucky, this was the last one they had. So I picked that up. I picked up two of these little, well, let me show you, my kitty just came. This one's my husband's cat, Bo. This is one of the 3 kittens we rescued. My daughter rescued the other 3 out of the litter. And they were supposed to have been 12 weeks old, but the vet said they are 6 weeks old. So they're already spoiled, and he just wanted to say hi. Now let me get back to these snowman heads. I picked up 2 of these. The hat has glitter, and the nose carrot comes out, as you can see right here. And they're flat on the back, and they have little poinsettia and green leaves along the black trim there. And I already purchased some of these that has the red and green, and some of them are red and white on the scarf, and the little hat earmuffs, I think they're called. So I picked up these in green. I haven't seen these before, but I had to get them. I picked up this Let It Snow snowman head, and I love this, the way the hat is made. It's one of those, I forget the name of it. I had it in my mind yesterday when I was looking at this stuff, but top hat, that's what it's called. I love the way they did the top hat on this, and there's snow on top, and it's glitter, and all the words are glitter. And down here, the darker red is glitter. I picked up 2 of these red trucks. It says Merry Christmas on it, and the tree in the back has white glitter snow and berry garland wrapped around it. And like I said, I picked up 2 of them. I picked up this one's one that says all kinds of sayings. It says, let it snow, sledding, build a snowman, snowball fight, and drink hot cocoa, sit by the fire, and winter wonderland. And the good thing about this, you can flip it over and you can make your own sign out of it. And I just love this little elf. It says, Santa's elves see everything. And it has glitter going all throughout it. And the legs are on by some ribbon. That's all. And you can take them apart if you want to use to put on a wreath or any other garland or arrangement that you want to use it for. Now this one, it said it's supposed to have this going right here, but it fell off, and it was glued, and it's coming off here too. But it doesn't bother me because I've got a glue gun, and all you have to do is glue it back, and for $1 you can't beat it. So I just think the sign is just darling, other than coming apart. And here's another one of those that has signs going all the way down it. It says Jingle Bell, White Christmas, Ho Ho Ho, Hang Stockings, Oh Holy Night, trim the tree and joy to the world. And again, you can always flip it on the back and make your own design. I picked up several of these wooden, they're plain. This is the Christmas tree, and I'm going to use those little ones that I just showed you with this when I make it. And I think it's going to be a nice little DIY project. And I picked up the big star, the ornament, and the good thing about this, just in case you want to sit it in front of a mirror, just do both sides and it won't matter which side you use. And the big snowflake, and I already purchased the little snowman like this one, and I'm going to, it has the little box in here where you can use it for, put your pins in, little poinsettia flowers or some of them picks. Again, I just made, it was episode 6 or 7, and I put picks in with the snowman after I painted it. And I found another one of these mesh in gray. It's beginning to be hard to find the mesh, so when you see it, you might as well grab it, because I know it's not Thanksgiving yet, but when they get it in and they sell it, you don't know if they're going to get it in again. And that's it for all the Christmas stuff. But I did pick up some of these tumbling tower game. What I'm going to do is use them to make my stands, like some of these, not all of them, stand up. And as you can see how wide they are, how thick right there. And this is the size of them. There's 3 right here. And I'm going to paint them whatever color I use to paint the sign with. And they had 6 cat toys for $1. I know there's 3 missing, but I had to get 3 out to go ahead and give them to my kitties before I made this video. And they're into everything, these 3 kittens are, and they love them. They smack them around, and before you know it, they're all the way on the other across the room. They have, at the Dollar Tree, the name brand Pounce cat treats, and these are soft and moist, so it's good for little kittens. And this is a 8-count ballpoint pen by Ink, and they have them in black and blue, and these write real good. I get these every time I see them. And these were 2 packs of the furniture scratch markers, 3 in a pack. These are the browns, the light browns and tans, and these are the dark browns. And for Christmas, this is my one granddaughter's into that slime, and this is Nickelodeon slime. This is purple, and then they have the green. And I picked up some more of these one candlestick. It's the only one they had. They're getting harder and harder to find. Through the summer they had a lot of them, spring and summer, but now I guess with all the other candle holders for Christmas and all that, they're just not getting as many in. And the last 2 things that I purchased was this Sassy Chick green nail polish and some Kiss. It's new. It says pink, and it's the Super Bond nail glue. And again, here's the green. They have all different colors of this nail polish, I should say. Getting ready for the holiday season, Christmas and all that. And if you're ever at the Dollar Tree, go over to their makeup section and check it out. Well, that's all that I have for you today. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my haul. If you liked it, hit that like button below. It would really help my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell that's right next to it. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And leave a comment. I try to answer each and every one of them. I look forward to hearing from you. And for those of you that are new watching, welcome. And for those of you that are new at subscribing, welcome. And I want to thank each and every one of my current subscribers. Without you, I wouldn't be where I am today on YouTube. Alright, I hope y'all have a safe and happy day, and until next time.